In this session, we will see how to get the imported contract information in the fabric. So firstly, we'll see what is imported contracts. So the tenant where the contract is exported can see the contract as imported contract. The configuration location is at consumer tenant. The consumer EPG can consume the imported contract by using add consumed contract interface. Now we will see how to get this imported contract information with the help of script. I will open a script and it is the same script that is available on Git. Now I will run the script. I will put the username, URL and password. I'm getting some error due to I'm not connected to internet, hence this script did not push the configuration to the epic. Let me connect my internet connection and we will rerun it and let's see if we get the output. Now let me check the status of the imported contract in the fabric by running this script. It is trying to show the result, but there is no imported contract in the fabric, hence we are not getting any result. Now let me rerun the previously used script for contract creation and then we'll check it if we are getting the expected output. I'm running this script and creating a new contract. Now you can see my changes got pushed. Now I will run the show imported contract script to check the status. It is showing me the result and you can see imported contract is MySQL contract and also showing the tenant, EPG and application profile information. So in this way you can use this script to get the contract information.